What should we call him?
I would call him Jim.
Morrowland may be tiny, but it has the same problems as every other place. Emma has to go.
Never! We're leaving.
And I'm coming too.
It could be dangerous.
Don't worry. I'll watch out for you.
Hold on tight! This must be Mandela. We are two out-of-town engine drivers, and we'd like to speak to the Emperor.
Follow me.
What do you think, Jim? Should we follow him?
Well, since he asked us so nicely.
Princess Lisi was kidnapped by the Wild 13. But someone has to go save the princess.
Jim, hold on tight!
Run, Luke!
I don't want to harm you. My name is Tur. I am a mock giant.
What do you have there?
100-year-old eggs on tender squirrel salad.
Well, a real sea dragon has to spit fire and look unlike any other animal.
Stop! You're scaring me.
Really?
Who are you? I'm Jim Button, and I'm here to set Princess Lisi free.